How Baby Dogecoin became a global crypto legend. It started just like any great story, with a tweet from Elon Musk. And just like that, we blasted off. Market cap charging toward $1 billion USD. But the memes didn't stop there. Elon Musk brought Baby Doge hype again with his Doge mini tweet. The Binance listing was our badge of honor. That moment locked us into the global meme coin spotlight. Our reach expanded across the crypto universe. We got listed on over 80 exchanges, bringing Baby Doge to the global audience, launching our AI NFT generator and marketplace, empowering creators, followed by our Baby Doge Swap, community-focused DEX that rewards holders. The community rallied, becoming a global family, even reaching a milestone of 3 million followers across social media. The community rallied, becoming a global family, even reaching a milestone of 3 million followers across social media. We turned passion into purpose early on. Baby Doge donated close to $1,500,000 USD to vital dog support organizations worldwide. Ecosystem of Web3 consumer products where fun fuels function. What is Baby Dogecoin? Baby Dogecoin is a BSC meme token for a community of Doge lovers. Where can you buy Baby Dogecoin? Baby Doge tokens can be traded on centralized crypto exchanges. The most popular exchange to buy and trade Baby Dogecoin is Gate, where the most active trading pair, Baby Doge USDT, has a trading volume of $2,060,948 in the last 24 hours. Other popular options include BitGet and CoinEx.